Chapter 4, Lesson 2 is on attributes of similar figures. Attributes are characteristics of a figure, and when we're talking about math and shapes, we're looking at sides and angles. Rule number 1. If two figures have congruent, and what does congruent mean? That is correct. Equal, congruent, corresponding, angles, and the ratios of their corresponding sides are equivalent, which means equal, then they are similar. The first example, looking at these two rectangles, and the sides are measured, opposite sides being equal. 5, 5, 3, and 3, and then 10, 10, 6, and 6. What is the length of MN? MN, over on the larger rectangle, is 10. What is the length of HJ? HJ on the smaller rectangle is 5. If you take that 10 over 5 and divide top and bottom by 5, you can simplify that to 2 over 1, which is equal to 2. The second comparison between QM you can see is 6, and LH, which is the same side but on the smaller rectangle, is 3. That divides evenly by 3, top and bottom, which gives you 2 over 1, which is equal to 2. Those two rectangles are what we call similar. Two figures, they have congruent corresponding angles, and the ratios of their corresponding sides are equivalent. They are similar. To determine if figures are similar, you must perform at least two calculations. Which we did. We did one here and two here, and they were equal, so those two rectangles are similar. Rule 2. If two polygons, and a polygon is a shape with 3 or more sides that is closed, if two polygons are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal, and the ratios of their corresponding sides are equal. When looking at these two triangles, you can see the two marks where B is, that correspond to the two marks where Y is. Same thing with A and X, same value, and then C with Z. Remember, all the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. If we were to put numbers here, for example, a 2 here, and an A here, and then we put a 4 here, and a 6 here, we could set up a proportion and use our cross products to determine what the value of A is. These two polygons are similar. Their corresponding angles are equal, and the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. And we'll determine that. Take the 4, put it over the 6. That was the side over the bottom, equal to, go over to the side over the bottom. You have to continue with the same pattern. Now do your cross products. You get 4A equal to 6 times 2. That would be 4A equal to 12. Divide both sides by 4. That is correct. A is equal to 3. The value of A is 3. The corresponding angles are equal, and the ratio of their corresponding sides is also equal.